Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take you back a few months and start from actually October 22, right? So this is the monthly chart I made first, and then this is the weekly chart at that time. Elliott wave count, wave 1, 2, then 3, ABC 4, and then wave 5 supposed to be starting from to the upside, right? So this is how it is started, and then 5 I marked here that this is where it should be going, right? So I made tons of charts in between. This is December 22, so the whole year of 23, right? So many charts I made, and then I'm gonna just show you on the last few one. And this is the target. This is the chart I made in February 24, right? So in between a lot of charts and a lot of, like up, down, and I was tracking every step of the way. And then finally, this is the chart I made on the 10th Feb. That's going to go up. Target was 127, which is 2153. So now watch what happened. Actually, this is start to go to the upside. And you see that this is the monthly chart target. Same 23rd Feb, I made this chart that's going to the upside. So the target is 61% Fib expansion, which is 2184. It is coming 2184. Just keep in mind, right? So now I will start taking the trades since February 10th, and this is how it is. This using my system, my Magic Ivy system. So it's look, buy order is right there on the left. You will see this yellow mark with buy orders and SL move to break even plus 510 pip, right? So this is how the buy entry, and from here to there on the 23rd. This is again on the 29th, buy entry from 2029 all the way to 2049 area, right? Long. This is again on the 29th. This is another one. Entry is from 2038 to 2048 from this chart, right? So SL didn't move, forgot to move the SL. Here, now this one again, on the 1st March, buy order here, and from 2052 to all the way there, 2087. That was the final, not the final target, but the second final last target was 2088. And remember, 2184 was my target on the monthly chart, right? So keep going long using my setup. Beautiful entries. This was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. This setup gives a lot of entries, perfect entries. Again, and this one on the 1st March from 2077 to 2087. So this one, I took this one, and my son, he took this one, right? So, from his computer. So that's how it is. This is why two trades. Then you see that this is where we were at the 4th March. 4th March, we were here. The target is still on the weekly chart, 2153. On a monthly chart, 2184. Again, this trade on the 4th, going to the upside from 2095, because it's just above the price went above 2088. So I said, okay, then me going more to the upside. So this is entry was taken. Well, all these entries were taken by the EA. See, this EA is here, expert advisor robot. It takes the trade automatically, plays the SL and all of that. So this one is from 2095 to 2095 to 2116. And then finally, you see that on the 7th, we finally reached the target on the weekly chart. The target was hit 2154. And on the monthly chart, the target also hit 2184 on the 11th, right? I recorded this chart on the 11th, which is Monday, this Monday, right? So the target was here even last week, Friday, Thursday or Friday. But I recorded the chart here after chart. So finally, one more time, this chart, this monthly chart, it was like this. This is supposed to be, it was here on 2035 when I said that we're going to 2184. And finally, we reached last week, and now we are sitting just there, exactly at that level, and thinking about going, making a decision where to go, right? Yeah, so it's now deciding that what to do next. This was the weekly chart, and the target is reached on the weekly chart as well. right? So now I made the chart already, for the future direction for this week and the next week, what's going to happen. Both sides, possibility is there that it will go up, then where to go, what will be the next level. And if it drop, then what will be the level and why it will drop or why it will go to the upside. So all of that. If you're interested to find out, you can go to my website here, creativetradingsystem.com, or I'll post the link to my website in the description of this video. So click on that and you will be directed to that page and you can see the future direction of the gold. My analysis so far is pretty good. And you saw that, I started from here, actually. I mean, I've been watching all along, but this is why I start to show it in this video, right? From wave 4. So ending wave 4 and then this wave 5. I covered in this video only this wave 5 of big wave 5. By the way, if this wave 5 is ending, let me show you the current monthly chart, and that would be this. So that was on the weekly chart. This is wave 5 we were talking about. But this wave 5 is also ending this big wave 5 after this wave 3, wave 4, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all of these like Elliott wave, count, right? Wave 5, is it finished? Or it may go more to the upside. So, to find out, go to my website and see the current charts. And probably by the time you're watching this video, I'm going to make another video updating that where the heck this thing is going. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys. And also that if you want to get the system, the entry system and all that, it is available on my website. You can go to my website here. Monthly subscription, yearly, whatever, and then one-on-one coaching is there, right? A couple of courses here, harmonic pattern, Elliott waves. You want to learn all that, or if you want one-on-one coaching by me over the Zoom 10-hour course, you will become expert of everything. Also, for my subscribers, I do 2 webinars a week. Wednesday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, where I go over the market, the analysis, and then I teach and I tell everyone that what is to expect and what is coming in our way. Also, I have a Telegram channel where I post upcoming setups and all this about gold and about everything else, like here. For example, GJ making long, pound yen making long on 20-minute, USD yen also making long on, this is here you can see pound USD 40-minute long setup, and all of that, NASDAQ analysis. This is a chart. This is index. This S&P 500 analysis of the week, right? On a weekly chart. So everything is I'm keep posting, updating here for my subscriber, right? So if you want to be a part of my group, then go on my website, sign up, and start from there. Get the system, learn how to do it, and then trade like that. Let me show you the current week trades and the last week, for example. This is let me show you. The recent trades, this week only 1, 2, and 3. But last week, 20 trades. Watch them. CAD yen, gold, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, USD yen, gold trade from here. And entry is always on the chart. I showed my entry and the amount of pippage. You see the sell entry right there, and it took all the way down 130 pip, Euro yen. This one 115 pip, Pound yen, NASDAQ, S&P 500, it's US, where are gold? Gold chart, I already showed you, I guess, right? Yeah, so gold from 100 minutes. See, look, this one, big one, right? So 20 trades last week, but so far this week is not that good, right? But still 3 trades so far. Today is Wednesday. We still have tonight, Thursday and Friday. So let's see what happens. All right, so this is it for now. And like I said, that if you want to be a part of it and you want to know where the gold going right now, click the link on my in my description, and then it will take you to the page where my gold charts are sitting, and then you can watch the direction. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these channels on time. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.